Imagine you traveled and when you arrived to your destination, you remembered leaving the tap slightly open. The water keeps on rising in the sink and it'll eventually overflow and flood the apartment. The apartment may be Egypt, Netherlands, or even Bangladesh. How fast do you think the apartment will flood if the sink is flat versus if the sink is curved? Which one will be able to delay and prevent the overflow? But for now, let's go back where it all began. The continuous greenhouse gases emissions have set in motion a series of events, notably glaciers melting and thermal expansion, which is caused by heat where water molecules separate and volume increases, consequently leading to the rise of sea levels. So, how will it affect us? This causes a direct and pressing threat to Egypt's coastal lands, where the coasts could be eroded, cities flooded, agricultural lands destroyed, and also causing the salt intrusion into neighboring farmlands. And what happened in the city of Heraklion in the 8th century could happen again if no action is taken. How can we prevent this? There are two types of solutions for this: green solutions and gray solutions. Our integrated solution will lie in between, blending nature with man. The current solutions that are being used is establishing coastal barriers and seawalls. Usually rivers carry sediments to the sea, serving as natural coastal reinforcement. As happens in the Netherlands and also Egypt until the 1970s, when the Aswan High Dam was built, which led to the holding back of sedimentation. Therefore, there is no natural reinforcements in Egypt, and we have to provide it artificially. Since 96% of Egypt's landmass is desert, a sustainable solution would be to use sand supplementation to reinforce the coast. The green part of our solution is to use a combination of seaweeds and coral leaves to break the energy of the waves and to prevent coastal corrosion, which will also help in increasing the biodiversity in the Mediterranean Sea. And lastly, as a second line of defense, native species of mangroves can be grown along the coast, as mangroves can help accumulate soil in the roots and hardening shorelines. It also withstands high salinity, suitable for the Mediterranean Sea. Not to forget also a special characteristic of the native species of Egyptian mangroves, which can grow on sand instead of mud. In 2020, the Egyptian government planted 210 hectares of mangrove forests along the Red Sea coast to protect against sea level rise, but we are yet to apply it in the North Coast. Furthermore, growing mangroves serve as a conservation effort for restoring this promising endangered species, increasing biodiversity. So back to our sink, combining those three solutions, we can design a curved sink, which will delay the water rise long enough for you to come back from your travel and close the tap. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.